This is Maria Avdeeva from Kharkiv, Ukraine.
15th of March, Maria Avdeeva, Kharkiv, Ukraine.
Hi, this is Maria Avdeeva in Kharkiv, Ukraine.
I am a researcher of disinformation. I have been researching Russian disinformation since 2014.
Я его забрал, к милиции отвел и вызвал.
Huge wave of disinformation messages came out on Russian state media channels. So I decided that it is necessary to stay in the city and show the real situation here. I took this photo on the 15th of March. That is very close to where I live. During the night, I heard explosions and I saw the fire outside. In the morning, I went out to see what happened and where it was. And I saw on the ground the marks of what I think is cluster munition, because it would be the mark on the pavement, and then around it a small particles of the pavement taken out. This is actually the residential area where the local market is. And across the street, there will be this supermarket with different kind of goods. So that's pure residential area. It's very close to where I live, probably 7 minutes walk. And I saw this huge rocket in the pavement. It's important to inform about that so that more people will be aware. That's why I decided to stay and to document and to show what is happening in Kharkiv.